Hi, welcome to AI Wiki. Today I will talk about another free text-to-text program.
Huh?
Sorry, I mean text-to-image program called Dall-E. Dall-E and Dall-E 2 are deep learning models developed by OpenAI to generate digital images from natural language descriptions, called prompts. Dall-E was revealed by OpenAI in a blog post in January 2021, and uses a version of GPT-3 modified to generate images. In April 2022, OpenAI announced Dall-E 2, a successor designed to generate more realistic images at higher resolutions that can combine concepts, attributes, and styles. OpenAI has not released the source code for either model. On 20 July 2022, Dall-E 2 entered into a beta phase with invitations sent to 1 million waitlisted individuals. Users can generate a certain number of images for free every month and may purchase more. If you want to try now, please turn on your browser and go to this website. Click Try Dall-E. Click Sign up with your email. After signing up, you should see an interface like this. You are now ready to roll. Please enter anything inside the text box that you want the AI to draw. If you don't know what to draw, you may click Surprise Me. This allows the AI to randomly generate the prompts for you. When you finish the prompts, please click Generate, which is next to the text bar. There is another function in which you can upload an image from your device. The AI will generate images that are similar to your uploaded image. If you want to know more, you may go back to the Dall-E main page. Scroll down and click Dall-E 2 Explain to watch the official trailer. Thank you for watching AI Wiki. Please subscribe, press the bell, set the notification to all, like and share. Thank you. See you next time.